People living in one Fair Oaks Ranch neighborhood dread when there's rain in the forecast. That's because when it pours, they fear their health could be at risk due to a flooding problem in the area. As Myra Arthur reports, the city says a solution should eventually dry up their concerns.
When skies lose their blue, Daryl Kirchner keeps a close eye on this ditch. It runs along the street in front of his home.
If we have a large storm, hurricane season coming on and so forth, that's a threat to us.
A threat, he says, because heavy rains cause flooding in the ditch near the intersection of Intrepid and Robindale Drive.
And then it comes over the road and flows over into our property.
These pictures show how high water blocks the streets, but Kirchner says that's not the greatest danger. Flooding here has caused a septic system to overflow. After recent heavy storms, he had the sewage-tainted floodwater tested. A lab found high levels of E. coli.
If anything, that should be the driver to get this fixed.
So this morning, Kirchner and his neighbors took their fears to the Fair Oaks Ranch City Council. To their relief, Mayor Cheryl Landman assured them a drainage project is already in the works to fix the flooding. It's part of a $7 million roads and drainage package okayed by voters 2 years ago.
Construction on the whole project is expected to begin around September of this year.
Neighbors say they're glad to hear about the plans for a solution. They'll be cautiously optimistic until they see the work begin. Myra Arthur, KSAT 12 News.
Mayor Landman says the city hopes to okay engineering plans for the project very soon. She estimates once work starts, it'll take a little less than a year to finish.